Not enough for the first down, and the Cowboys.
Turn this rubbish off. My son, how old are you?
18.
You look like you are 40. Now you are getting older, so you need to listen. I need to talk to you about the birds and the bees. When a man loves a woman, sometimes they begin to talk. And then after they talk, they begin to touch each other. And finally, they
have sex.
exchange honey. What did you just say?
No. See,
I was talking about honey. What were you talking about?
I thought you were, you said the birds and the bees. I thought you were.
So you are having sex?
No. See,
So you are gay?
No. I'm not gay.
So you are fucking in my house?
No. See,
Say
No,
something.
Dad, I'm
stop.
And I am feeling so small.
No, not like this. Not like
Was over my head.
No, Dad, I'm sorry. Dad, no. Dad, no. Dad. Sherry, turn this rubbish off.
shit. My bad. I actually turned on the TV.
Turn this rubbish off.
One more time.
I need to talk to you about the birds and the bees.
All right, I'm gonna do one more take. No, I wouldn't. No, I don't even know what that is. No, I don't. No, I wouldn't do that. No, I mean, I get girls. I get a lot of girls.
What did you just say? I was talking about honey. What were you talking about?
Cut.
Yeah.